What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a quick look at how to get a 2026 Kia K5 started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, it's not going to start, and we're going to get a message on the dash saying press start button with key. So what we're going to do is grab our key and we're going to use the top of it to press the stop start button. So press the brake in like you normally would. Then we're going to come over here and press the stop start button like that. Once the vehicle starts, you'll be able to drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.